Pence also said,
Who is that?
reopen businesses, restaurants, theaters, can't leave out our schools.
That's what's wrong. You're handling school like it's a business.
That is so correct.
You say correct, I say crazy.
Students must learn full-time.
Yeah, in a safe environment.
Teachers kept learning going. They're getting ready to do it again this fall.
Child, please. Half the teachers I know looking for another occupation right now.
Success Academy moved to distance learning in 1 week
We all did that.
using multiple technology platforms.
Everybody ain't have technology. I wonder why.
And there were a lot, I and state school leaders were disappointed in that they didn't figure out how to continue to serve their students.
And y'all still ain't figured out how to serve y'all teachers.
Too many of them just gave up.
Only thing we gave up on is believing y'all was gonna help.
The Center for Reinventing Public Education said
Can I see what you're reading?
that only 10% provided any kind of real curriculum and instruction.
Wow. She straight up disrespecting us. Teacher disrespecting what we do. Disrespecting what we did. She disrespect what we did. Hey, pour me something else to drink.